Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Boeing's accident history, not to sensationalize, but to understand how safety evolves. Boeing's aircraft have connected the world for decades, but their long history includes both triumphs and tragedies. We'll break down major accidents, model by model, and focus on the lessons that shaped modern aviation safety. Let's get started. The Boeing 737 is the world's best-selling jet, with over 529 accidents and nearly 5,800 fatalities since 1967. Early crashes often stemmed from limited technology, issues like wind shear and navigation errors. Each incident drove improvements such as ground proximity warning systems. Notable events like the rudder hardover crashes in the 1990s and the 737 MAX disasters led to major design and certification changes. Every tragedy forced the industry to rethink safety, pilot training, and the human-machine interface. The 747, Queen of the Skies, revolutionized long-haul travel but also saw 64 hull losses. The Tenerife runway collision in 1977 remains aviation's deadliest accident, prompting global changes in cockpit communication and crew resource management. The JAL 123 crash in 1985 exposed flaws in maintenance oversight, leading to stricter repair standards industry-wide. Each disaster brought sweeping reforms, making flying safer for everyone. The 767 pioneered twin-engine long-haul flights with 19 hull losses, many due to human error, not design. Incidents like the Gimli glider and Lauda Air 004 led to better procedures and system redesigns. The 787 Dreamliner was accident-free until the 2025 Air India crash, a stark reminder that even advanced jets are vulnerable to human factors. These events highlight the ongoing need for vigilance in training and cockpit design. Air India Flight 171's 2025 crash was the first fatal 787 accident, killing 261 people. Both engines lost thrust after takeoff. Investigators found the fuel cutoff switches were manually activated. No mechanical fault was found. The focus shifted to cockpit procedures and human factors, sparking urgent reviews of pilot training and aircraft interface. The final report is pending, but the industry is already acting on early findings. Boeing's history includes over 415 fatal crashes, but these numbers span billions of flights over 60-plus years. When normalized per million flights, Boeing and Airbus have similar extremely low accident rates. Most accidents stem from a mix of human error, weather, and systemic failures, not just design flaws. Aviation safety is a shared responsibility, with every lesson learned applied across the industry. In response to recent tragedies, Boeing has overhauled its safety culture, implementing a mandatory safety management system. This proactive approach encourages hazard reporting and risk mitigation before accidents occur. There's renewed focus on pilot training, cockpit design, and collaboration with regulators and airlines. The goal: ensure every lesson is integrated. Every major accident, from the 737 rudder failures to Tenerife, has driven industry-wide change. Flying is now the safest form of long-distance travel, thanks to relentless learning and adaptation. The pursuit of zero accidents is ongoing, demanding vigilance from manufacturers, regulators, and crews alike. Our commitment to safety honors those lost and protects every future flight. Aviation safety is built on hard-won lessons from past tragedies. Each improvement, whether in engineering, training, or oversight, makes flying safer for everyone. Understanding the why behind safety is crucial. It's how we keep progressing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more aviation insights, and as always, fly safe.